Kevin here, Farmer Equipment. Today I have with me a Morino Rotex M150 power rotary harrow. Just like to show you around some of the features of this. I found there's not a whole lot of information online for these, and so I thought I'd try to provide a little bit. Now this model is a Rotex M150, which is a 60-inch working width. We also have available a couple of smaller variations, the L Series 88 and L Series 120, which are 35 and 48-inch widths. The L Series is just a little bit lighter built throughout. L Series is for up to 25 horsepower, and the M Series, like this one, is for up to 45 horsepower tractors. So the ones that we typically sell, we always order with this rolling wire mesh harrow basket on the back of it, as well as the soil leveling blade. And that can be installed, that's what this is right here. You can kind of see the blade going across the back. That's this piece right here. So it goes all the way across the whole machine, and it can be installed either here or here on the front as well. The rolling basket's adjustable with these top link type devices here. It has the floating side shoes here. So this model, the M150, designed for Category 1 tractors up to 45 horsepower. This one with the rolling wire mesh drum and the leveling blade weighs in at about 750 pounds. The smaller L series models are more in the 320 to 400 type range for weight, also for Category 1, but the L's are for up to 25 horsepower. So it has all these tines underneath in sets of 2 on each of the rotors. So each one of these bearings on top here represents a rotor underneath with 2 tines on it. And this is a gear case all through here. So this is a sealed chamber with oil in it, and there's a gear that runs off of each spindle connecting them together. All sealed in an oil bath gearbox across there. And then there's also a cast iron gearbox on the top, just to do the right angle drive down to the bottom gear case. There's a bit of a better look at the tines. So like I'd mentioned before, there's 2 tines on each one of these spindles. And this would be the area up here that's full of gear oil, just above those shields, where the gears are that drive the tines. That's a better look at the soil leveling blade across the back there. And the wire drum roller. This one's all packed up to be shipped. So if you order this to be delivered to one of the terminals that we have listed on our website, this would be pretty much the way that it would be packaged to be shipped to you. Before we ship them, we assemble them. We check them all over. So grease and oil, check that all the fasteners are tight, everything's adjusted properly. The only real grease points on these machines are right here. And that's each of the top bearings. Just because it gets less splash lubrication from the oil, they're individually greasable. Also a shear bolt protection on the PTO, and there's a few grease fittings involved in the PTO shaft and the standard places on the universal joints and on the shear plate there. Morino rotary power harrows. Now that's farmer approved.